I'm going to take you on a quick tour here. I'm going to come into the lobby. This is where everybody starts off at. Come in here. This is where we give our safety talk. This is where we stand around and loiter. Hi, guys.
Hey.
Hey. We got coffee here, place for lunches and stuff like that in here. We got some retail as well. Coming out to the shop. Safety glasses beyond this point. Out here, we got our shop. This is our main forge area. So this is where we do production work and classes. So got some power hammer work going on right now. Classes this morning, so it's actually relatively quiet in the shop. Got some grinders there, natural gas forges, propane forges as well. We run 28 anvils. We got multiple presses, multiple power hammers, grinders set up. We even do some coal forging on occasion here. So this is our main smithing area. Lots and lots of grinders over on the sidewall as well. Going back through here. Power hammer, service grinder, more grinders, lots and lots of grinders, all the time grinders. And then I'm going to take you over to our welding building. This is for welding and fabrication. We actually have 8 welding booths over here. We're in the middle of doing some feeder set design work as well. But this is where we do MIG, stick, and TIG welding instruction. We've got plasma tables, more grinders over here, sandblasting cabinet. We're doing some work on that forge right there as well. And then returning back over here, we've got one more building to show you. This we call our lab. So we've got 3D printers, we've got glasswork, we've got jewelry, some engraving. So many cool things. So this is Kilroy's Workshop in a nutshell. Very, very fast tour. If you want an in-person tour, just let us know. Stop on in. We're open Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Friday and Saturday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So stop on in. If you register online, we can go to kilroysworkshop.com and go to take classes. There we've got all of our classes listed that you can take here at Kilroy's, and we've got a ton. So also we do commission work. We do products and things like that as well. We make axes, we make tomahawks, we make everyday carry knives, things like that, and we do welding work. Lots and lots of that. We also have Kilroy's Academy, which is professional welding, and a junior academy that starts up in 2023. So if you're interested in any of those, go to kilroysworkshop.com, and we hope to see you here.